Welcome to the next lesson. Here's what we're gonna cover here. First of all, we'll discover what Supermetrics templates are. Then I'll answer the question how you could modify Supermetrics for Google Sheets templates. Next, we'll take a look at how you can change Supermetrics for Google Data Studio templates. And last but not least, we'll cover the changes you can make for our Excel templates. First of all, what are Supermetrics templates? These are files with pre-made queries that seamlessly work with Supermetrics connectors. Currently, we have Supermetrics for Google Sheets, Google Data Studio, and Excel templates. When you add a template from the gallery, you will receive a copy of the file that is stored in your Google Drive or in your account. The data you have in the template is coming from the data sources you've connected to it, so Supermetrics never has access to this data. What kind of templates are there in the galleries? First of all, there are templates for analytics, SEO, PPC, and social, as well as organic social reporting. So feel free to head over to the gallery and explore them.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Supermetrics templates as the basis for your Excel reports. Start out by going to supermetrics.com. In the navigation bar under Resources, select Template Gallery. Here you can find lots of Supermetrics templates, free to use for Google Sheets, Google Data Studio, and Excel. Next, choose which template you want to use. You can also see which data sources are used in each template. Once you've selected your template, simply click on it, download it as an Excel file. To get your own data to the template, open the template file in Excel, open the Supermetrics sidebar, and select the accounts or properties you want to use as data source. Then click on Run Queries. Once your data has been populated to the sheet, select Refresh All. That's it. Your data has been inserted in the template and your report is ready. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Supermetrics templates as the basis for your Google Data Studio reports. Start by going to supermetrics.com. In the top navigation bar under Resources, go to Template Gallery. Here you can find lots of Supermetrics templates, free for you to use with Google Sheets, Data Studio, and Excel. Next, choose which template you want to use. You can also see which data sources are used in each template. Once you've selected the template you'd like to use, simply click on it, and you'll be taken to Data Studio. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account to see a preview of the template. To get your own data to the template, click on Use Template in the top right corner. Next, select the data source you want to use or create a new one. In this example, we're going to select our Facebook ads data source. Then click on Copy Report. That's it. The report will be populated with your data. From there, you customize the report by removing, adding, or editing any of the charts and metrics. When you're happy with your report or dashboard, simply share with your coworkers or clients. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a head start with Supermetrics for Google Sheets by using our ready-made templates. To get started, open the Supermetrics sidebar from your Google Sheets add-on. From the top left of the Supermetrics sidebar, open the menu and click on Open Template Gallery. Next, select the template you want to use. You can find templates for different data sources and marketing needs, such as tracking website analytics or advertising on different channels. By clicking on View Template, a new tab will open, showing you the template in more detail. Once you've selected which template to use, click on Add Template. In this example, we're going to pick the Google Ads Budget Tracker as our template. Next, select your account's data to add to the template and click on Insert Template. And that's it. Your own data will be inserted in the template and your report is ready.